Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the hotel we stayed in beautiful Santorini in Greece. I will also share some tips to select a place to stay in Santorini in case you want to look for something yourself. After considering many options, we zeroed in on Belvedere Suites. This hotel was towards the higher side of our budget, but we decided to stay here for a couple of reasons, which I'm going to share with you during this video. First, its location. Belvedere Suites is located in Ferro Stefani, roughly 1 kilometer from Fira, which is the capital of Santorini. Geographically, it's on the west coast of the island on caldera cliffs opposite the volcano. The hotel is located at a very good stretch. This road is a walking path which stretches from Ia, which is at one extreme end of Santorini island, to Fira, also called Thira, to the other side. It's a long stretch of about 10 to 11 kilometers. We use this road many times to go to Fira. Take a few steps down to their reception and they'll guide you towards your room after checking in. In Santorini, also when you are selecting a hotel, you should keep in mind that most of the hotels won't have a lift. You'll have to use stairs to access your rooms. Our room was located at level 4 down the main walking road. But the good part is that the swimming pool and breakfast restaurant near pool at level just one floor above us, and that was very convenient. We had selected a VIP suite because we are a family of 4 and needed a room with 4 beds. Our room was reasonably sized with all required amenities: hot water kettle, tea, coffee sachets, toiletries, and air conditioner. In VIP suite, there were 2 sofa beds on the entry level and 1 double bed in the attic above. In fact, since the hotel is located on the edge of cliff, it is overseeing the sea and caldera. Here all rooms are sea facing. We also had an outdoor balcony with mesmerizing views of Aegean Sea and the volcano. Breakfast was complimentary. They had only one restaurant which was near the pool. They had very good room service also. Another important thing to remember in Santorini is accessibility to main road. Since hotels are on the hillside, you won't get cabs dropped till the hotel. The hotel staff usually manages the luggage. If you have walking constraints, then having hotel close to a parking space is a must. Belvedere Suites is easily accessible by car. The closest parking is at Ferro Stefani Central Square, which is only about 3 minutes walk from here. A short walk from hotel also takes us to Ferro Stefani market area, where you have many good restaurants and places to shop. There are some tour operators too, which can help in booking day trips and sea trips for you. So this is my brief on the hotel Belvedere. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe.